We're coming up to a mini roundabout where it's the same as any other roundabout. Priority to the right.
Yeah, the text really... Oh, God. It had to be another Audi.
This is another one of them roads which go from 2 lanes to 1 lane. So I've got some decent braking distance there between that Mercedes and me. I think now should really come in behind me, but as usual. Now this woman had plenty of time to get in behind me, but no, she decided to get in front of me. Now it's down to me to drive defensively because she can't drive defensively. She forced herself into a gap that wasn't there, and I'm the one who's got to slow up to put it right. That's not right. And this here isn't right too. There's a cyclist up in front. That's not good.
Real money purchase of £5 to get a racing bed bundle, 5 times £2 restriction, and T's and C's apply. Take time to think.
Can I have a 6-inch big beef sub please on high Italian? And make it a meal deal. It's accurate description, T's and C's.
I see this happening quite often as well. What is the point of doing this? You're standing in the road, you can't open your car door. Why not stand there in the middle there and or in front of your own car? Why stand in the road not being able to open your door? Why not wait until I've gone and then you can open your door? Got plenty of time to get in. Why put yourself at risk? Now in this clip it just shows what this country has become. Run down and chavvy areas all over the place. Now you know it's a chavvy area when you see someone in their dressing gown and slippers walking down the street at 9 minutes to 11. She's probably off to go and get herself some fags. She would have sent her daughter Chardonnay, but her daughter Chardonnay's gone to school today. Chardonnay got herself ready to go to school today because her mum was absolutely exhausted through going to the shop to get herself some fags yesterday. So she had a little bit of a lay-in. Now this guy here is even looking at her a bit funny, like what the hell is going on here? Well, I hope that's what he's thinking. Now at this point, I think I probably have to explain to our American friends what fags are, because they're completely different to what the Americans call fags or faggots. In the UK, fags are cigarettes, not what you call fags out there at all, or even faggots. We have faggots here. Totally different thing again. These are faggots. They're like a soft pork meatball. They should be soft anyway. If they're not soft, someone's overcooked them. They're very nice. You should try them. Let us know if you get these out in America. I would hazard a guess that they're not called the same thing. Traditionally, they're normally served with mashed potatoes and peas, just like this. Hopefully I've explained that quite well. If not, you'll have to Google it. Now let's get back to some dash cam stuff. After all, that's what this channel's supposed to be. This is another clip where the dash cam doesn't really do it justice. It really doesn't. The car behind me is a lot closer than what it looks. But unusually, here we are, an Audi with its indicator on over there, but it's got the wrong indicator on. So I've slowed up a little bit there.
Would you like to be in my car with me?
And obviously I was talking about this car behind me. Now if that Audi was going right, I don't think that car would have been able to stop.
Would you like to be in my car with me?
Nice day for a walk in the road. I don't get some people. Really don't. As you see it in the rear view camera now, he runs across the road behind me and then walks to the crossing. And this is me coming back the other way a few minutes later.
Little stupido again. Just cannot look at the green or red man. Thick as shit.
Now, regulars of the channel will know that I obviously swear too much. Can't help it, that's just the way I am. But what I have got, or what I do, is I show good manners on the road. I wave, I say thank you, I pull over, and it pisses me off when people don't do the same.
You're welcome, mate. Don't mention it. Oh, you fucking didn't, did ya?
Now we come to a learner here, which, don't get me wrong, I'm very happy that he said thank you, but I'm pretty sure in my day you wasn't allowed to say thank you. It was down to the instructor to say thank you, to keep your hands on the steering wheel. But I appreciate the good manners. The weird thing is the instructor actually says thank you as well. He puts his hand up first, says thank you, but so does the learner. I don't have a problem with that though, to be honest myself. And here we come to another numpty. Great big space there, but drives at me, forcing me into my space when he's got
All that
that.
space. All that space there to wait in. What is wrong with people? Is there no common sense on the road no more?
It comes to something when the Vin Diesel wannabe actually says thank you. Look at that. It's not a weakness to say thank you on the road, you know. We come to these two in this car here. I put my hand up, give them a smile, and the look they give me that I was keeping her waiting was like, wow, you are scum. This is what I really thought of it. Good old Foxy.
Exactly what I think. It's shit.
As I come round this corner, you can just about see the little girl that's going to walk out in front of this BMW. I don't know why she hasn't gone across the road, walked on the pavement. Just might have to ask her dad why he hasn't done that, why he's walked that way at all in the first place. Just holds everybody up.
Oh, why is he walking so slow? Because someone's walking in the fucking road.
There's a pavement there to my left.
Why is he driving so slow even?
That's what you're supposed to walk on. That thing called a pavement. Hands up if you see the bike. So how many of you saw the bike? Because I didn't. Not until the car turned the corner without indicating, I might add. So now we're behind the car that didn't indicate just back there. It can't park neither. It doesn't seem to understand that I'm not going to go past it while it's sticking its front out and then its arse out into the road, which it does a couple of times. But then it gets the ump with me.
When you put the windscreen wipers on, when you put the water on it, it makes the whole windscreen white for a few seconds. Right. Oh, you're pulling straight back out again. You have got no clue, have you?
That's what I used to do.
And now you're pulling straight back out. Yeah, waving to me. You're useless. Useless.
Moving on to the next numpty. Maybe it's because I got an electric car and she can't hear me coming. But her leg keeps popping out into the road while she's scraping the ice off her windscreen. Now, while all that was going on in front of me, this was going on behind me. The Mercedes was taking no chances with the girl that was trying to park or the one who was scraping her windscreen. Watch how he handled it.
Waving to me, you're useless. Useless. She almost took that bike out back there. I don't know if you saw the bike. You know, she's getting upset with me that I'm not going past her, but if you're pulling your arse out, I'm going to hit you.
So we just go back to the front camera now, because it doesn't take us long to find another numpty.
Oh, they're all out today. I've got 3 clips already.